Welcome back to Neon Labs Media. Today we're going to be working on this 2012 Fiat 500 Sport. Last week I was changing out the calipers and the brakes on the passenger side, and I noticed that the shock grommet to the frame was not good. I'll show you that in a little bit. Let's get going. Got it. Oh no, I broke it. That's hilarious. I broke the extension. It doesn't usually happen like that, but better than the branch. That's funny. Sheared it right off. Good thing I got another one. Just gotta find it. Okay, let's try extension number 2. Oh, what'd I break? Oh, thought I broke something. That was loud. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down here. That is what I mean by wallered out. Okay, the top bolt is a 15. Yep, 15 millimeter. This is the same on the bottom. No. And the bottom is a 14. So let's see if this is going to be. Let's see how easy it is to come off. Nope. Well, maybe I can try the. I don't like that. Nope, nope, nope. I think I got it. Yep. Okay, good. All right. But so all I'm doing is just pressing it down. This will be number 4. This goes right back out. Number 5 goes right back out. I'll do one more just for good measure. There we go. Bottom one. Is it in there? I think it's in there. Let's do a little bit more. Okay, now that we have, after hand tightening, or, using this jack to lift this in place, should be able to start this bolt. The top bolt is going to be 52 foot-pounds, and the bottom bolt is 74 foot-pounds. Okay, Okay. You don't know. The Fiat's parking brake, this is the parking brake cable, needs to go, this piece needs to go up and over. Is it broken? That's concerning. Kind of pulls out too easy. Uh-oh. That seems broken. This should not be this loose. Nothing is broken. Just when you replace your calipers, make sure that the parking brake cable is connected properly. Okay. That's enough. So, maybe I should have loosened this a little bit more, but oh well. This is where we're at. Guess I should clean these up a bit. Yeah, clean these up a bit so they're not so rusty. I'll do that after this. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, this has got to move. So here's that parking brake cable again. So put that back on there. Let's see if we can just do what we did last time and probably not going to be that easy. Nope, there it is. This kind of, I don't know if, no, it's feeling a little bit tighter since I got that other side on. I don't know what happened. I hope the cable didn't break because I can imagine rerouting the whole thing. I need pliers. Let's see if I can just. Okay. Let's see if there's any tension on the brake. Oh, yeah. There's tension. 4, 5. Okay, that's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to put the tire back on this thing, take it for a test drive, and that's going to be it. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.